Hello creative minds. Today we'll learn a memory drawing. The topic is accident. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Start with the basic. Hold the paper in landscape mode. Pause the video, draw the steps and then proceed to the next step. In the end, use color reference as shown. If someone in trouble or meet with an accident, people around them will help. Today, we'll draw a similar scenario. To start with the first human figure, start with an almond shape. The second figure will be a boy. Let's fix his position. Let's show this man is offering the water to boy. The third figure will be his friend. Let's make them school students. The fourth person can be another stranger. Now we are done with base. Let's add details. To add more life in this drawing, let's add shade and light and ground shadows. That's it. I'm sure you did your best. Send it on WhatsApp and take feedback. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Have a great day.